Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the quest or event that reveals the configuration device. This saves wasted searching. Once done, teleport to the closest statue of the 7 or waypoint so you arrive quickly and with full stamina. Make sure to bring a balanced party, a shielder for survivability, a ranged unit to trigger distant switches, and an elemental character to interact with device puzzles. Do this now so you can move straight into the first interaction without interruptions. You'll now interact with the device and nearby nodes. Scan the area for glowing panels and symbols that indicate activation order. Once you see a pattern, use elemental skills to hit nodes in the correct sequence. Some require Hydro or Pyro to register. Make sure to rotate or reposition movable parts when prompted, because visual and audio cues confirm correct alignment. If multiple players can interact, coordinate timing. Otherwise, pause briefly between inputs to ensure the game. Finalize by giving the device its last input and watch for the completion animation or dialogue that confirms success. Once accepted, gather rewards or note the quest step progression and map reveal. If the device doesn't respond, make sure the quest flag is active. Then try reloading the area or relogging to clear sync issues. As a last resort, backtrack to the activation point and redo the sequence deliberately. This often resolves missed registrations and lets you finish cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.